Alright, it's January 26th, 2011. Gonna take a look outside here. Check out this huge snowfall. It's pretty incredible how much we actually got. You can see this is all just from yesterday. This patio was completely dry. Look at the size of this. This is incredible. We had probably a good 1.5 feet here yesterday alone. About 5 inches, 4 or 5 inches fell in the morning, and the rest fell last night overnight. Looking at our place here, shows you how deep this stuff really is. Our neighbor's tree seems to have collapsed, so their sidewalk had to be dug out just to come out to this sidewalk. They normally have a sidewalk that goes all the way down, but I guess with that tree blocking, we really don't have that option. Let's take a walk down the path here. We have a little snow arch coming up here. These trees are normally standing straight upright. Look at that. I have to duck underneath these branches here because there's so much snow on them. I've already cleaned out the cars this morning, so I don't have to worry about that. Come out to the parking lot here. Look at this. It was all just dug out this morning. Let's see how much we really got. It's amazing. Some cars haven't been dug out yet, but luckily I dug ours out and parked them in some safe, clean spots. The roads aren't too bad, they're just a little wet at this point. There's slush cover down here, but I think the main roads are okay. Look at the trees down here are all taken down too. Sun's coming out at least, so it should dry up some of the mess. Go back through the snow arch here. Look at this. This whole tree is bent all the way over the path. It's unbelievable. Let's move the branch out of the way here. Could have a little snow cave down underneath this tree here. This branch of this tree is coming down pretty low too. Even our neighbors over here, this is a little sample of what their walkway looks like. This is just to get around that corner there. Oh, I almost got nailed with snow there falling from the trees. This is some heavy wet snow we had this time around. Guess they're gonna have to take this tree out. It looks like it snapped right in here. You can see the snap on that tree branch, so I think they're gonna have that removed when it dries out. We have a few more other branches down here too, and that's it. Back home again. Hope you enjoyed this nice little snow tour.